Please eliminate distractions and turn up your speakers. In less than 10 seconds, you're going to learn how over the last year we helped average people earn six-figure incomes using a proven cash generating method, selling products that they don't have to touch, store, or even ship. My name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I've been a full-time internet marketer for over 5 years, and this is simply the most comfortable and most effective business model I've seen. So let's get right into it. You're going to learn how people like you can watch the same video and go on to earn more money in a few months than they ever did in an entire year chasing those fly-by-night, get-rich-slow deals, and even surpass their work income. And they did this without having to do presentations or convincing people to buy anything. Now I'm going to come to that in just a moment. However, before I do that, let me ask you a quick question. What is the most successful business model in the world? The answer to that question is around you everywhere you look. You see McDonald's, Subway, hotel chains, Planet Fitness, UPS stores, even places you go to get your haircut like Great Clips, and the list goes on and on. No matter where you go throughout the United States, you're going to see the same or similar franchise businesses. In fact, you're likely to see some of them in most major cities throughout the world. And why is that? The answer is simple. Each of these businesses has created an easy, duplicatable system along with unique branding and products that they can franchise out, allowing people just like you and me to buy into the franchise. Your average Joe can leverage the strength of recognized brands and products along with a global network of support so they can make a significant income. Not only that, one person can own as many franchises as they want. The essential thing is none of these franchises are doing anything radically different than the others. They're all making money because they have a substantial promise with a duplicatable system. From Henry Ford's first automobile assembly line in 1913 to 7-Eleven convenience stores of today, there's no denying that the only proven way to create a money-making business is the ability to replicate and spread. This is where we come in. We take the same business model that has been working for over a century for the world's top franchises and apply it to the largest growing demographic in the world. The rest is an automated system in which the heavy lifting is done for you. We supply the products, we provide the system, and we have a global network. All you do is follow the duplicatable system and get paid. This system is working for many of our associates who are now enjoying life while growing their business. And now you have a chance to partner with these same people and finally enjoy the freedom of making money. Newbies on Fire currently offers 4 product levels: $25, $100, $250, and $500. Each level is just a one-time payment plus a license and administration fee. There are no monthly fees ever. The license administration fee will allow you to build your business with peace of mind, knowing that all the tracking and back office support gets handled for you. As a bonus, Newbies on Fire includes a system-wide free traffic rotator. That means every prospect that visits the company's homepage will be redirected to a members page at random. Just think, you'll be making money in your sleep. Sound good so far? Wait, it gets better. So let's get into one of the most potent compensation plans the world has ever seen. Turn up your speakers, log out of social media websites, pay very close attention if you're serious about changing your life. While most people like to hype up programs and show you examples of what happens when you join the highest level in the company, I'm going to do something very different to show you the power of this program. So what if you came in at the lowest level of $30? First of all, what is the $30 for? Well, $25 is your cost to join the starter level of Newbies on Fire, which all 100% goes to your sponsor. The remaining $5 is the administration licensing fee, which goes towards the cost of running the company and also gives you the ability to resell the product. Now, the starter level includes the following education: custom designed SEO powered blogging platform, and then we're going to have some video tutorials. an introduction to internet marketing, personal versus company branding, how to invoke emotions, how branding is introduced, how to create your name, the psychology behind the colors that company picks, the themes, how to create your logo, and even how to create a mascot. So that first module is really going to teach you a lot about how to set up your business. Now, Newbies on Fire is a reverse two-up compensation plan. That means that 2 of your sales will pass up to your sponsor. In this program, it'll be your second and your fourth sale at every level: the starter level, the basic level, the advanced level, and the elite level. However, business-minded, the way to look at this is that every second and fourth sale of anyone you sponsor into the program will come to you. Are you starting to see the power of this program? Your first sale will go to you at every level to help you break even as soon as possible. Your third sale will put you in profit, and your fifth sale and on at every level goes directly to you, all 100%. At the starter level, once you've accumulated 6 sales, 4 that were paid out to you at $25 each, and the 2 that passed up, you'll now have $100 that you have earned. You should then upgrade to the basic $100 level from the $25 starter level that you're at. Unlike other programs in the marketplace that make you pay the entire cost when you upgrade, Newbies on Fire determined that it is in the best interest of the company and for its members that we only pay the difference plus the administration and licensing fee when upgrading. So what does that mean? Rather than you take your full $100 commission that you've earned, you upgrade for the difference between 25 and 100 because you're going from the $25 position to the 100. The difference is $75 plus the basic level administration licensing fee of $10, which in total is $85. That means you are still at profit of $15. But now you've positioned yourself to earn $25 and $100 commissions. Are you getting excited yet? Now you repeat the same steps at the basic level and sponsor 6 new people at the $100 level. Remember, you're still making commissions at the $25 level, and those people are all working on upgrading to the $100 position like you did, which means more commissions for you. But for simplicity, let's say you went out and got 6 new people that were prepared to pay $100 and join. 2 of them roll up to your sponsor, and there's still 4 people that paid you $100 each, so you've earned $400. Now, the basic level includes the following education. There's going to be an introduction and overview on how to grow your leads, how to research your competition, basics of profiling, gathering more intelligence, shortcuts, how a typical day should work for you, media mapping, and buying habits. So this module is going to be based on your lead generation. So now that you have $400 you've earned at the basic level, it makes sense to upgrade again, right? The math works like this. You're at the $100 level, you need to upgrade to the $250 advanced level, which is a difference of $150. Plus, remember, there's a $25 administration licensing fee at the $250 level. So now that's a total of $175 so you can upgrade. So $400 that you've collected in commissions at that second level, minus the $175 that it's going to take to advance to the third level, you're still left with $225 profit plus the $15 you had remaining from the starting level. So on the previous level, you had $15 in profit. Now on this level, you have $225 in profit. That puts you in profit $240. Now you're in a position to make commissions of $25, $100, $250, and you have $240 in your pocket. Pretty cool, right? The advanced level includes the following education: chatbot introduction and getting started. Now, this is big because chatbots are very exciting. It's a very new piece of technology. When you're on different social media platforms and you click on that little chat box to talk to somebody and there's an automatic response, that's a chatbot. And those chatbots can answer your questions with artificial intelligence and also take you through a sequence of events to pre-qualify and also to sell for you on automation. So We're going to go through the different uses for those chatbots, the major chatbot mistakes to avoid, how to break it down, the increase in conversions due to chatbots, how to brainstorm, how to use your chatbot, organizing your ideas and chatbot mockups, and also the implementation. So this $250 level where you're learning all this cool stuff about chatbots, that's where the momentum starts building for several reasons. You're able to earn more commissions now. You've learned a lot and you've got more technology behind you that you can implement. So once you get 6 sales at the $250 level, including the 2 pass-ups, you now have 4 sales at $250, which is $1,000. You'll then upgrade to that top elite level, which is the $500 level, but you're going to upgrade for $300. Why? Because you're already at the $250 level, and the difference between 250 and 5 is 250 plus the $50 administration licensing fee. There's your $300 to upgrade. So you had $1,000, you spent $300 to upgrade to the top position, and now you have $700 left, plus the $240 from the previous levels. You are at a position now with $940 profit in your pocket, plus you've unlocked all the levels and are positioned now to receive commissions of $25, $100, $250, and even $500 in a single sale. Now, you repeat this process one more time. You're going to get 6 sales. You're going to pass up 2. You'll have 4 sales remaining of people that paid you $500 each. Now you've made $2,000 profit plus $940 from the previous levels. Are you listening to this? You have now made $2,940 pure profit with no remaining commissions to be passed up. Do you understand the power there? You've basically unlocked the entire matrix. You've passed up 2 sales at every position. Now, on all 4 positions, any sales that come in, all 100% will go to you, and then they'll pay their administration licensing fee separate to the company. All of those commissions will come to you now, and you have hit the highest level in the company, and you only had to sponsor 24 people. And guess what? You started this whole thing with $30. You started with $30 and you upgraded all the way using your profits. Keep in mind, while you're going through this process, there's still more people coming in and duplicating your success. So even though you're focused on finding more affluent people, because now you have success, you have a track record, you can show people that you're making money in this. So you can go show people that are what we call heavy hitters, and they'll see your success and they might join you directly at the $500 level because the proof is in the pudding and you've already showed it to them. So while you're going after these heavy hitters, you still have people that are coming in at the $25 level. They're paying their $30, 25's coming to you, and they're trying to follow your footsteps and build it all with profits. So that's how the process is going to work, because everybody's going to be duplicating your success. You've legitimately created an ATM. Our team will also help you hone your skills on how to build your audience, how to engage with them, what content to post, and more. That's just one of the benefits of clicking the link in the description area below and booking a call or joining us if you've already decided what level you want to come in at. Some other benefits, depending on the level you join, will range from advanced training modules from us, not Newbies on Fire. This is regarding joining our team. You'll also be able to earn restaurant gift vouchers, free vacation stays, and even your own done-for-you website with an email autoresponder. Please look at each level when you go to the website in the link below, and look at the bonuses that are included so you'll see what you'll get. All right, now the done-for-you website is very important because you'll be able to put your own personal video in there, just like you'll see below when you opt in to the link. You'll also be able to include whatever bonuses you want. These pages are customizable. And if you enter at the top level in this company, then we will get that website done for you with a 10-day email follow-up series. But let's not forget all the education you'll get with the elite level. You're going to learn on this final elite level that we have in Newbies on Fire. You're going to learn product creation. This is how you're going to create and launch your own products, come up with your own ideas. You're going to learn how to write sales letters. You're going to learn how to create upsells for your products. You're going to learn what platforms to do it on and how to launch your own product. Then you're going to learn about membership platforms, because when you have a course, you might also have a membership group. It might be free, it might be something you charge a small monthly fee for. We're going to show you in Newbies on Fire how to get those tools, how to create your price points, how to map it out, what platforms to use, what type of scripts to use, and how to set it up. And most importantly, customer retention, because it costs multiple times more to get a new customer than keep the existing one you have. So when you come out with a new product or a new program, the people that respect you and trust you and they have made money with you, they're more likely to sign up with you again because they're already a part of your network. It is cheaper for you to keep them in your network than to go look for somebody new. So customer retention is very important when they first join, how to get their quick start videos going, what softwares you should use, the public recognition, how to use the benefit of grandfather pricing. So in that instance, somebody that's been with you for a while, maybe on your next product, they're going to get a better price because it's easier to keep that customer that's been with you all these years, that should get a benefit for being with you, than the new person that's coming in that should be paying a more premium price because they just found you and you have to offset that cost for being able to obtain that new customer. So there's a lot in this elite level that you can really learn. On top of all this extensive training, you get to be part of our Facebook group where you can get new ideas, share ideas, get support, attend live training webinars, and more. It's a great place to motivate each other and learn from more advanced marketers that'll be sharing years of knowledge with you. That alone is worth more than the highest level in this program because it will prepare you for how to run any type of internet marketing business and how to build your following organically so you aren't spending money on traffic. Newbies on Fire is one of the most potent compensation plans we've ever seen. So are you going to wait or take action? Are you in or are you out? Results cannot be guaranteed, but the opportunity presented to you today gives you a great chance to win big this year. Life starts fresh right here, right now. So go to the website below in the description area and get started today by picking a level that you feel comfortable with, or even booking that 15-minute call so we can get all of your questions answered. We will see you on the next side, and I hope to see you as a part of Newbies on Fire and a member of our team. Thank you.